Hi children, now we are entering to the new chapter simple electric circuits. So for that purpose we will understand how we are going to get a light. How can we make LED light to glow? So where is the LED light here? We have this LED bulbs. These are the wires, connecting wires. So this is one cell. So now this cell is the source of energy. Cell is a source of energy. Now here to understand that one, I am going to make it interactive learning material which is your friends. Now he is a dad and he is son. Please come down.
I keep one flashlight. I go to outside. We have a flashlight, daddy.
So if you don't have torchlight, I have some material. Can you prepare the light here? You do it. Right, very good. Now you can see the objects in the night with this light. Is it right?
Right.
Right, your son, what he has done? He has taken cell, wires and light, LED light, bulbs. So what you have done here? You have connected. What you have done? You tell me.
It is connected.
Connected. Okay. So now are you getting light or not? Yes, you are getting light. Right, children? Now your friend only did this one. So that is why he only taken the wires, bulbs and cell. Now he connected and now it is your ILM, interactive learning material. Okay. Right. So now you have to understand how we are going to get this light. What is the reason? Because cell is a source of energy. This will convert the chemical energy possessed by it into electrical. So that is why we are going to get observe the light here, glowing of the bulbs. Right? So this is our simple to understand. Now it is a simple electric circuit. Okay, suppose you hold it and just you remove it, just you take out the wire. Now are you getting the light? No. Now you are getting. Now this circuit is called closed circuit. Closed circuit. Suppose when you remove one wire, left wire you remove, then it is open circuit. So now you can understand what is open circuit, what is closed circuit. Okay. So now we will learn the concepts in detail in next class. Okay, right.